Yeda obade ase sa ene da osoro ene asase so ase. Som obade na abode enso bibia ewo edison mu agipo technology eni ene ye ba behwe transistors. Ye kase transistors ya a electronics component ya ye manufacture in laboratory. It is man-made component. Yeah, the transistors did you do be your machines you using for your mobile phone, your computer, your television, all electronics, electrical gadgets. Most of them have a transistor. Transistor is used for amplification, and also it can be used as a switch, and we will learn all. We have NPN and PNP transistors. So let's see the function of NPN and PNP transistor. We have NPN and PNP transistors. NPN is negative transistor, PNP is positive transistor. You see, this is a diode. This is a diode. This place is cathode, and here is anode. So the NPN transistor is just like what the two diode, one miti ni two anode. NPN transistor. This is a diagrammatic symbol for NPN transistor. Here is emitter and collector. This is base. You can know the emitter from this arrow, right? Good. Always the emitter receives negative voltage, whilst collector release the negative to the load. This is a positive line, which is VCC, or the positive. Okay. Before this light will come on, unless the collector release the negative. Okay, you see, the transistor is just like a tapping pipe, like this. This is a tapping pipe. You see? And from it, here is base. And this out is what? Collector. And this place is source, like a MOSFET. Is source, which is emitter. So if it is a FET transistor or MOSFET, the base is gate. The emitter is source. The collector is drain. Okay. So before the tapping pipe, before it will release water to the bucket, unless you tune up the type. So you tune up the type, then the water will flow to the collector and to the buckets. When you close the base, the water will not flow. The same here. The emitter of NPN transistor receives the negative. Before it will release the negative to collector, unless the base open. So we will connect a positive to the base. So it needs a resistor. It needs a resistor. Resistor reduces a voltage or electric current. The load negative. Meanwhile, the load positive is already connected to the positive power. It just needs the negative, and the negative will release by what? Collector, by the help of the base. You get it? Good. This is PNP transistor. Emitter, collector, base. The PNP transistor is vice versa to the NPN transistor. PNP transistor need negative to the base before it release the positive to the load positive, and it is vice versa to the NPN. The transistor, as we see here, it have base collector emitter. If it is MOSFET or a FET, the base is gate. The collector is drain D. Is drain D. And then the emitter is source X. It's the same thing. Before this light will come on, it needs positive. So the positive is the source, which is the supply. Then it passes through by the help of the base to the collector, which is the drain. The drain here. The drain D. The source X. The gate G. You see? So this is that. This is that. This is that. MOSFETs compare transistor, NPN or PNP transistor. That is that. Thank you for watching. Bibi oho na entiase no anko yi a draw the attention. Said the attribute technology done the dynamic no. Bibia education. Ye ba wi ase ye ti wi ase. We need to do more for our world and to help the generation.